All right, how you doing? Second day of March. Talk it up, huh? This weekend they had a pot smoking convention down to Minneapolis, but I know the Huss and somebody else had done something like that, and they got a strike. So she did. I was gonna go, but beautiful day here. Should be out, and I kind of curtailed back on my videoing because I was putting out videos in March from last March. So here we are, rail fanning in St. Louis Park. Little spur here. That's Methodist Hospital over here, Louisiana. Yeah, creek runs over here, so I think this is a Canadian Pacific CPKC. We saw my Christmas videos. I had the Christmas train video. It goes all the way through there, and that was kind of a cool video. But yeah, a little rail fanning here. We'll see where it goes. Haven't done it in a while. Got one down there at the stockyards I want to go to. Kind of cruise around here. It's just a beautiful day. I was gonna do it yesterday, but it was just a little too windy. I went and bought some more cigars. I should start asking for money for my cigars, you know. Should have any memberships, which I think is a waste of money. So I did a we want to call it a premiere on my other channel yesterday. You weren't there. I'm like, I just preview it for fun. I don't really, when I do live streams, I'll talk to somebody on the phone. I don't need to talk to my chat room, you know. It's not like a thing get together, but yeah, we'll see how far this goes. It's like a kind of a area over here in St. Louis Park. There was a lot of trains. I didn't realize I was about museums. There's a Greyhound Museum up in Hibbing, Minnesota. I didn't realize that. So this gets used a little bit, as you can kind of tell. Goes all the way back into there. So kind of cool. There's a lot of trains when I grew up. At my house now, it's just a bike trail. I biked it on this channel. You saw it. It went both ways. So, but you can tell they kind of follow the trail here. In the hospital. Looking forward to going to a lovely and talented, what the hell is that place? St. Martin. So we'll see how far this thing goes, but it's well maintained. My other guy I like on this channel, I follow Distance Signal. You want to check out someone who talks about trains and gives you everything that's going on. They're really good. So, but yeah, just this goes out the main line. Perfect. It's a great rail fan. It's going to be. Go out the main line, goes all the way through St. Louis Park, all the way down through Edina, down to Bloomington, dead ends down there. So. You can tell business right here. Kind of a area down here. Whatever this is doing here. You can't tell the hospital. They have the parking ramp there. Where I went back in '83 when I broke my knee, and my mom said, we're taking you downtown Hennepin County. The doctor that saved my leg his house burned down, and my mom sent me the clipping. He just died. He was from Pakistan. Because Hennepin County is where all the welfare people go. But she goes, I'm taking it down there. They wanted to, they almost want to lose it because it was a bad break in the knee. And he goes, don't worry, you won't lose your leg. I'll take care of it. Put a plate, 6 screws in there. So I always would send him a bouquet of roses for about 4 or 5 years every day. Thanked him. I saw that he passed away, so I sent some flowers to his funeral. So I'm walking because of him. He was controversial, but he saved my leg. Took a bone on my left hip, attached it. I have 6 screws and 2 plates in there. My right knee. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little walk. There's a exclusive of yours. Very rug cleaning, culprit and culprit. Surprised how far away skids are there. Usually people come by and seal those. I bring them in all the time for work. They're like $4 a crack. But, Nice walk on the tracks, huh? Well, there's some wild turkeys up here, if you guys can see them. Big dogs up here. Yeah, see them up there? On the railroad tracks. You ever had wild turkey? I have. Pretty good. So I hit on the geese one day. I just picked it up through the back, cut the head off, and brought it home. This was years ago. Actually pretty good. So hey, turkey lurkies. We're big walking. Get the Boy Scouts out here, the felons out here, and pick all this garbage up. It's a shame. Hey guys, Big Tom Toms. I'm rail fanning. I'm a YouTuber. Do you know who I am? You can tell there's some snow left, not much. They look like turtles, the backs do. Hey guys, how you doing? Great day for rail fanning. He's running off into there. My other job I had at the airport, we used to feed them all the time. We called it turkey crack, and I was in a shuttle once while my buddy was in all the time. And he would feed him that shuttle. They'd come to that shuttle knowing it was him. It was pretty funny. But yeah, it's kind of a cool thing here. And nice. We didn't get a lot of snow. The great state of Minnesota. Disappointed. Just goes out to the main line. You head that way. Northbound heads towards the main line that goes through Randall I got married at. And, it's a spur here, so. Use it once in a while, not all the time. I didn't know where this one went to, but you never know, right? Yep. It's just too bad you see all that garbage. People think they throw it in the snow. It's all just gonna, you know, dry up and blow away. It doesn't work that way. These were Perkins, and people would throw the grease outside in the snow. It's like the rocks got all full of it, so it is what it is. But yeah, it's just a great day. It's Sunday, second day of March. But anyways, we'll probably end this one here and do some more rail fanning for you. See any trends yet? You never know. I do want to do some rail fanning down in lovely and talented down by the scrap yards when I get a chance. Go down there. So, anyways, so we'll end this one right here. We'll get in the main line, okay? So, all right.